This is just a quick tutorial on how to do Google Analytics debugging. There's a few different methods. Right now we're just going to be trying to track events. So there's one option: you can install the Chrome plugin Tag Assistant. Uh, there's you go to Inspect in Google Chrome, and then you go on the Network tab. That's another one. And then the third one is you go to there, if Google Analytics is installed, which it should be, you go to their real time, and then for events, so you'll see all the different real-time audience acquisition behavior. You go to real time, and you go to events. And you can see right now, this is me online. And then each event will come down here and be visible. I did some previous ones, so you're seeing a previous one, but when you see a new one, you'll see a little another little line show up here. So let's just go through real quick. So I'm gonna be clicking on this link. So first of all, just see how this looks. So it's saying there was an event. Let's reset this so we start from scratch. So this is the Google Analytics tag. Some pages you might see multiple, some it might look different, but that's kind of the gist of it. So right now you can see there's one page view and a keep a live request. So then when I click this link, a few things are going to happen. So see, now you see there's an event that fired. You can go and click on it and see the category action label, and you see that it's populated. You could also go here, and now you see in Google Analytics real time, there's my event right there. On sites that have a lot of traffic and a lot of events, you might have to filter down just so you can isolate your own activity. But for sites that don't have as much traffic or activity, this should be fine. And then the third thing you can look at here is the Inspect tab in Networks. So I'm just going to filter down here for Analytics. And then let me just look at image. And then you can see, I guess there's a previous one I did. But let's see right here. So you can see this is a Google Analytics event tag. Because you can see here, this says event type equals event. This one's type equals page view. So that's the page view. This is the event. So then you know the event is firing. And then, yeah, you can see the same information that I showed you in a tag assistant. It says outbound article, outbound link, and then google.com was the link, just to show you. So outbound article, outbound link, Google. And that's how you do it. You could pick either method and it'll work. But yeah, you'll see the same thing, and then you'll know if the particular event tracking is working. Let me know if you have any questions.